Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is don't be make everyone happy, because you can't happy all the people in the world, because it's not your work and you can't do it, and not everyone be happy, and so try to be happy, not make other people happy. Sometimes whenever they need, they are in trouble, on that time only make them happy. Otherwise you have to look after yourself only, because how much you give other people, how much you do for other people, but no one is 100% happy with you. Thank you.